In this video, I'll be guiding you through the process on how you can lock apps on your iPhone. So to get started, you want to search for the shortcut apps. It's already installed on your phone. So once you open the shortcuts app, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be adding a shortcut. Right, so you're going to select the plus to add a new shortcut. Then in the search actions, you're going to search for lock screen. So ensure you select lock screen, then select done. Now the next thing you're going to do is go to automation to set up an automation. Select new automation. Now you're going to search for app. Select app. So here I'm just going to add a couple of apps to the list. So I'm going to add Amazon. I'm going to add Audible. Once you've selected the apps, select done. Now you want to ensure that this option is selected run immediately and then select done. So you're going to search for the action that you want to happen. So we're going to search for a lock screen that we added. So basically what's going to happen when any of the 4 apps are opened, it will lock my screen and then I have to enter my password or my Face ID to log in. So if I launch Amazon app right now, it will automatically lock my screen. And once I open my phone, it will then launch the Amazon app. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.